the party. Let's take a little time and talk about it. What's going?
So, where am I? Oh my god, did I move? I'm in my new house, my new mansion. Honestly, thank you so much for, you know, helping me. I'm kidding. I'm actually where I'm at is home. I just got home from college. Winter break is over. I mean, no, it's not over. Finals is over. Final season is over. I was dying. I was crying. I was actually going to shoot myself. Yes, I'm filming that. Back to what I was doing. Sorry, my dad wanted to be a handyman and fix I don't know what. But so basically I'm back home. Final season is over. I'm so happy because I was crying, dying, you know, the usual. Now I'm just back here now. Today I'm gonna show you how I put on my wigs because I noticed that I just come on a video with a, you know, a whole lace front wig and just be like, hello, and you guys are like, sis, where's the tutorial? Where's the tutorial? Is there a tutorial? So there is a tutorial. So today I'm going to be doing a curly wig from West Kiss. You see her, and she's on the wig head right now. And I just did this last night, and literally trying to make a wig while you're home hard because all my materials are in my dorm, so it was just difficult. So for the hair that I used, this is a Brazilian deep wave in a 24-inch, 22-inch, and an 18-inch frontal. And I haven't done curly hair in a minute, but I was just like, honestly, it's time to bring sis back, you know. The products that I use, okay, so this time I'm gonna actually try the wig cap method. I've never tried it. I've seen it 1,000 times, but the thing is, like, at first I was just against it because I was just like, I don't feel like doing the most, but then I noticed that it kind of saves your edges and I need edges. So the two products that I will be using is the Got To Be glue spray. This is just the ultra blasting freeze spray. You can find this at your local CVS. Literally, it's super easy to buy. This can hold your wig on, no glue, like just this hairspray. Then I'm gonna also use the Got To Be Glue Ultra Glued, the black one. I didn't get the yellow one only because I never really liked the yellow one. I've always been the black gel one, so. And then I'm gonna be just using a regular nude cap. I'm gonna put, so the problem is I left my foundation in my dorm. So I'm just gonna use this concealer that I have from LA Pro Girl because it's kind of the same color as my foundation. So I just figured out I only brought 3 bobby pins. So we're just gonna hope that works and holds up my hair. Okay, so we have this. I've never done this in my life. So hopefully this doesn't look weird. Oh, I forgot to slick back my hair. Okay, I slick my hair back because that'll be bad because it'll take your edges. Okay, so I'm gonna put this. Oh, I don't want to mess up my eyebrows. Ugh, I mess up. I am so sorry. I always do things knowing I don't know how to do things. So that's cute. Sorry, that tickles. I think it's dry. I could be lying. I really don't know. Like, I'm feeling it and it doesn't feel wet. So I'm guessing that's my indication that it's dry. I'm gonna go get some scissors because I got some scissors. I really look like just interesting. So I'm just gonna cut this off, the excess lace. Cut this in half. Are these good scissors? Oh my god. Did I get really bad scissors? These are... Are these bad scissors? I'm confused. They look like good scissors. So these are the only scissors I have. Of course. So we're gonna try to figure this out. Okay. Okay. I found a different pair of scissors. Okay. Oh my god, if you tell me these don't work, I'm gonna actually kill myself. Like, why don't these work? What is wrong with all the freaking scissors? How is this safe again? I don't know. I'm gonna call my dad right now and tell him to pick up some scissors because this is unacceptable. Dad. Dad.
Yeah.
Are you at the store right now?
No, I'm actually about to get the shots real quick so I can come right back to the house.
Okay, when you come back to the house, can you pick up some scissors?
We do have 2 pairs of scissors.
I know, but they're really dull for me to cut my wig cap.
The scissors to cut the wig cap. I don't think it's in there. You need like the thin scissors?
Yeah.
Real sharp.
Okay. I'm still at square one, can't find any scissors. This is actually disgusting. Like, why is my life like this? A mess, maybe? I don't know. I'm just frustrated. Yeah, I'm just gonna spray this part down right now while I wait for my father to figure something out. So I just literally went through the most right now. So basically what I did off camera, because my camera died and then I couldn't find scissors and yada yada yada. So basically I put on the wig cap and I finally got scissors, and then I put on the toffee. Yes, Dad. If another person walks in this room and doesn't let me finish this video, I'm probably just gonna throw hands. Like, as I was saying, I don't even know what I was saying. I don't even know. Basically, I put on the wig cap and I put on the color toffee because it's the closest near my skin tone, and that's all I had. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on the Got To Be glue first, and then I'm going to put this freeze blast spray on it, and then yeah. There is makeup up here, so I'm kind of scared, and I'm hoping that that doesn't mess it up, because you know sometimes makeup can really mess up your wig. I'd rather put on my makeup after, but I was trying to look cute, so. I'm gonna wipe off the top part because I'm just scared right now that it's gonna mess it up.
That record player down there.
I'm just gonna put this down on here.
That's the beauty of music, baby.
And I'm gonna like let it like melt onto my skin.
record player down there, huh?
I'm gonna also wet this hair and make it a little bit like look like a wet look so it doesn't dry too big, but let me do that, come back so you can see it. But I'm just wetting my hair literally and putting gel in it, so okay. I'm officially done. I did the edges. Hello. I did the edges. This is what it looks like currently. I didn't feel like doing too much because I was just really tired, and yeah, but it looks really natural, and that's how I put on my wigs and my lace front wigs and stuff like that. And with this, I can just do anything to it. I could just put it to the side. That looks ugly. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna keep it wet because I think that looks really cute. And it's been a journey. I'm tired and I'm gonna probably eat something, but I love you guys so much. I hope you liked this video. I hope that it helped you and stuff like that. And yeah, love you so much. Bye.